In this video I'm gonna show you how to clear your Google search history. It's very easy. You have to follow some procedure I'm telling you. So follow the steps, you will get clear your history. So firstly you have to search on Google for my activity. After that you will get the link to clear your search history and manage your search. So as you can see here, search history, I have searched so many things on Google and it's showing here. So I'm gonna delete this all things. So firstly you have to search on Google for my activity. After that you will get the website myactivity.google.com. After that click on this link. Then you will get so many options. Here you can see the my activities. I have searched for so many things. After clicking on link, you have to click on this horizontal lines. After that you will get the option delete activity by. Click on that. After that you have to customize to delete. Click on next. After that all search will be deleted. Everything will be deleted you have searched. Okay, so deletion complete. The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your Google and no longer tied to you. So now you can check here, you are getting only one option, you can delete it. After that nothing will come you have searched before. So this is only simple way you can clear your history, your search history. There are so many other options here you can see. So here you can customize everything and delete. By clicking on this custom range, you can select the specific date. So for example I'm selecting 20 August to 30. The keywords I searched in 10 days will deleted permanently on my search history. So I will click on next. After that I have it will show what I searched, Google Ads and search. So it all be deleted. Yeah, so the deletion complete and it have been deleted, right? It will deleted with your Gmail address by which you have searched on Google. So by this process you can have deletion of every search keyword. So I hope you like the video. Please to like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.